Let's discuss today's cue card. The topic is describe a piece of technology that you find difficult to use. You have to say when did you get it, what do you get it for, how often do you use it, how do you feel about it. Let's start. We live in a time where technology has made it possible to do many things considered unimaginable in the past, but it has also come at the cost of simplicity. Today, I'd like to talk a washing machine which offers so many features but is also very complicated to use. Recently, our previous washing machine broke down and we decided to buy a new one. I compared the different models online and ultimately decided on a Gen Z model from a famous company. It posted one or two different washing machines for different types of clothes. None of the other models came even close to it. When I bought, I never thought if I really needed one or two modes. There are 102 different modes. But it is impossible for the machine to have one or two buttons. The modes have to be changed and selected on the basis of just 10 buttons. It's really hard to remember the buttons I need to press. In fact, for the simple basic wash cycle, I have to press 5 buttons in a particular order. For this, I always need to keep the user manual closely. Many times, if I click on a wrong button, I have to start all over again. It gives a headache to use it. Earlier, our maid used to easily use the washing machine. However, this one is too complicated for her to use and she doesn't know English and the user manual is only in English. I really regret buying this machine, but I have also learned a valuable lesson. More is not always good. I don't think I will ever end up using more than 5 modes in my life. When buying things, I shouldn't care about what the technology offers, but rather what I need. Let's discuss part 3, that is follow up questions. Question number 1: what technology products or technologies are used by people now? You can say, our life is full of technology. In fact, we use a technology from waking up to sleeping. A few examples are all the kitchen gadgets, vacuum cleaner, washing machines, mobile phones, laptops, cars, and so on. Question number 2: why do large companies often produce new products? I think it's a game of constant one-upmanship. Companies are trying to cram in more and more features, trying to outdo each other without really thinking about what is essential. For example, there are mobile phones out there with more than 10 cameras. Question number 3: why are people so enthusiastic about buying newer iPhone models even when nothing much changes? I think the main reason is that the people want to show off that they own the latest model. Moreover, I think buying something new makes it exciting. We don't have the same bonds with products we earlier did, and thus it is very easy to throw away the older model for the newer one. Question number 4: what changes has the development in technology brought in our life? I think our life has changed tremendously. Some changes have had negative consequences, whereas others have made our life better. On the negative side, social bonds have become weaker as we don't have much time with each other as earlier. In addition, our life has become sedentary as there is much less physical activity in our lives. On the positive side, we have much more options than the past. We have faster transportation, better healthcare, and better food options. I'd say it's a mixed bag. Last question, question number 5. Has technology affected the way we study? And if it is, how? You can say yes to a certain extent. For example, there are multiple modes of education like videos, audios, presentations, and not just books. It has also changed the way we search for information. However, it hasn't completely replaced classroom learning, which is still the main mode of education all over the world. This is the end of Q card.